For this one, 1975.
Oh.
I'm an old guy. 3 degrees in meteorology. My background, I specialize, believe it or not, in radar meteorology. Yes. Tell when it's warm. You can tell when it's cold. But to quantify it, and that's the secret of science. You want to not only understand it, but quantify it, put numbers to it. And that's one thing that we can't do unless we use indirect instruments, like a thermometer. I'll give you an idea. Do you feel like you have a weight of an elephant on your back right now? No. No, you do. You just don't notice it. Now I'm going to show you, and I love showing this. I teach at Hack, and I use this little experiment we borrowed from Hack. This was the MTV about the year 1700 BC before computers. What do you do if you're the king and queen and you couldn't amuse yourself with a computer or listening to MTV or Twitter an account or just text messages? Brought in scientists. You brought in someone to produce wonders that you'd never version of this. Now, he also had some very crude instrumentation and tools. This, how many of you have pumped up your tires? Okay. Purpose of an air pump is to push air into a tire, right? This one does just the opposite. It's designed to suck air out. It's a hand vacuum pump. So as I squeeze the handle, hopefully the needle will start going down and you can even hear the air leaving this hemisphere if I'm quiet enough. Can you hear the air coming out? Is the needle going down? I'm going to ask for first 2 guy volunteers. And I hate to say it since you guys are closest, you and you. We're going to play tug of war. Okay, here's the object of the game. 1, you can only touch the handle part. You can't touch this part at all. So when I count to 3, it's a very small little 4-inch diameter sphere. When I count to 3, I want you to pull it apart. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe you didn't hear me. 3.
Wow.
3. Go ahead. Pull it apart. It's a very small little hemisphere. Oh, you guys are kidding. Go ahead and pull it apart now. Okay. Obviously, no. Thank you for trying, though, because I've also learned another stuff. This one I learned from my wife. The guys can't do it, ask the gals, because... Okay, not bad. Thank you very much for... Usually I don't do it this high, but for your group...
Is that can hot? I know.
I wouldn't put my hand on it.
I see it.
Okay, now you guys tell me when you start seeing some steam rising above the can. Just like what I drew on the blackboard, we should be able to see those little water molecules coming out of the can.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
You do?
I don't see it. Wait, I can't see it. Now I see it. I see it. I see it.
We're getting there.
Yeah. I see it. I see it a little bit.
Yep. Boy, this is good exercise.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
I feel vibration, so I know water's trying to boil inside the can.
Yeah, there it goes. There it is.
I want a nice rolling boil here. I want to remove as many air molecules as possible.
I see it. It's hot in there. I see it. I see it.
Okay, I'm feeling a little there. Now do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see that the air molecules are rising out of the can. This is the best way of showing you. Those are little water droplets, actually. But, okay. 2, 1.
Do you have any paper towel?